In this short video, I want to show you how to insert a picture into Excel sheet. If you have Excel sheet with the text like this one, and you remember when we was printing from the last sheet, we was saying this dash line to represent the edge of the page. So basically we know our page 1 is from here, the bottom here, and that the edge, the vertical edge up to the letter J. So now if I wanted to bring a picture here to help representing the text, because as I said, the picture say 1000 words, so you have the text and you wanted to put a picture that can help your text or your essay. So I wanted to create more space by just inserting more cell like so. Okay, and I think now I have enough, or maybe I just insert another couple of them. Insert, because I know I still have enough here up to the edge. So now basically what you do to insert the picture, you just click where you want the picture to be. For example here, if we want the picture here, and click insert and choose the picture tab, and then from your folder you choose your where is your picture on your computer. So my thing here on picture, and then you choose the picture. For example, you wanted to put this car picture and you click insert. Now we have the picture but all over the place because it is a big size. So the next thing we want to do, we want to play with the size to make it possible to fit in this space only. So having that clicked like that, look at the top right corner of the page under the tab called format, and then you play with the size from here. The size currently is 27.09 by 20.32 centimeter. So we want to play with that and say, for example, if we put 15 here, that will change the other side to 11.25, and we try now. It's still big for our space, so maybe we say 10 here. Okay, that's I think reasonable. Or if you want to make it bigger again, you can make it bigger, like if you want to make it 12 for example. It depends how you want to represent your picture. You want it on the front of the text, or you want it on the top of the page, or whatever you want. Like I say, we're gonna put it in the middle of the page here, and then 13, so that will do what we want. So always play with this two tab, because when you do something here, it is changed automatically as a proportion of the change that you did here. Avoid try to drag yourself like this, because when you do like that and then you try to drag it vertically as well, you will never have the correct proportion or percentage. How much did you increase vertically, so you can do sorry, horizontal, so you can do the exact amount or the percentage or the proportion that need to be done vertically. So avoid doing that. Just if I go back here, you see the picture look funny. So if I go back here, leave it as it is, and any change you want to do it, you go from here and you play here. So put that at 15, that's a change, and keep the proportion and keep the scale of the car good, and looks professional and looks good picture. So if we want to try and see how that will print, and we say print per view, that's what is gonna be look in your page once you print it. You can make the picture smaller and big as you can, as we said, but you always have to play from, to highlight and then go to format, and then you play from here, because that's, as I said, work out the scale automatically and make it look much better. Now if we want to try to print it and maybe create a PDF as we did before, and call it maybe picture in Excel. Answer picture in Excel, and then save it. Now the system creating a PDF, and it's gonna open once it's created, like so. That is our PDF. You can now print it, or you can save it or share it or send it by email. And I hope that video helpful for you to insert a picture or any image that you wanted, or even a screenshot that you may want to print with your text when you print from Excel, or doing any document in Excel. I hope that's helpful, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.